UNITRON's beginnings date back to the early 1950s. We earned a reputation for manufacturing high-quality microscopes, cameras, telescopes, and binoculars. UNITRON has evolved over the years and was part of the Nikon instrument group for a time. In August of 2017, UNITRON acquired the LUXO Microscope product line from Glomox Corporation, expanding our product offering especially for inspection applications. We've been here on Long Island for more than 40 years, and we're proud to say that we still manufacture top-quality microscopes to our rigorous standards.
Choosing the right microscope or camera can be confusing and challenging. There are so many options and brands, and making the right decision could save you thousands of dollars. When customers look to us for help in the decision process, we guide them to 3 key principles: quality, trust, and value. UNITRON designs, develops, and manufactures high-quality and dependable microscopes, digital cameras, and related accessories. Our products are sold through a global network of authorized distributors who provide our customers with local, on-site expertise, support, and service. We have an extensive inventory here in our New York warehouse, thousands of microscopes, cameras, parts, and accessories to ensure quick deliveries to our customers. Why? Because a delay in receiving their new microscope is a delay in their work. We take tremendous pride in the quality of our product. Prior to shipment, every microscope is put through a rigorous performance and quality control process to ensure each microscope meets our strict standards for quality and customer satisfaction. As the only manufacturer in the United States that inspects every microscope prior to shipment, we provide the highest level of quality assurance and product customization in the industry. With an industry-leading 5-year warranty, our clients can be assured that we stand behind our products before and after the sale. Our technical team provides us with an unmatched expertise in optical, mechanical, and electrical design. Our highly experienced sales staff allows us to provide best-in-class knowledge and customer support to help our customers select the right microscope and camera for their application. With over 1 million microscopes delivered through the years, our customers know they are getting not only a great product at a reasonable price, but a microscope from a company they can rely on in the future for after-sale support and product continuity. We are continually looking to develop and deliver new products based on the feedback of our customers. Developing a new product that improves a customer's ability to do their work more efficiently, more reliably, and at a cost-effective price is what excites us. At UNITRON, we've been delivering excellence by design since 1952. Please contact one of our authorized distributors or visit us on the web for more information on how our products can help you see more.